Hello guys, I am Aryan Siddiqui. I have got a package. Let's see what's inside the package. Let's cut it. Now opening it. Let's see what's inside. Here are some protections for the box. Now the speaker itself. I just ordered the FANTECH BEAT GS-203 mobile gaming speaker. Let's see what comes in the box. First, let's unwrap the box itself. It is under a plastic packet. And here is the box. It says FANTECH BEAT GS-203. Here is the description. We are not gonna check that, we are checking what's inside. Here is the pull-out tab. Let's open up the box. And now the speakers. They are really small. They are protected in a plastic wrap. Let's get them out of the box. Here are the two speakers. They are wired. And now let's check what else come with the speaker. Here is a booklet, and it is basically a manual. It describes how to use it, so we are not gonna need that. Here are the speakers. They are very cute, small speakers. Now it is the front side of the speakers. It says FANTECH. Let's check the amplifier. It is basically a volume control with a dial ring. And here is the USB and the headphone jack. Headphone jack for music playing and USB for powering. Here you can see it has a wrap. Let's pull it out. Now the second one. It's stuck. I have to tear it. I just tore up the wrap. And the speakers are now fully unboxed. They are basically made of plastic, but the front grill is made of metal, which is good. And both of these speakers are the same. And here is the subwoofer. Let me zoom in. And here you can see a sticker says FANTECH BEAT GS-203. So that's it. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and